A perfect aloo posto is comfort food at its finest. Today let's recreate this in the new Philips OneChef. First, let's prep the poppy seeds paste. In a mixer jar, add soaked poppy seeds and green chilies. Add the required amount of water and grind into a smooth paste. Keep aside for further use. Now press the power button, select stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press start. Add mustard oil to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add onion seeds or kalonji and dry red chilies. Add the potato cubes and saute for about 5 minutes. Add the prepared posto paste, water and salt to taste. Mix well, cover with a special glass lid and cook for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot with puri or steamed rice. And done! A humble dish that carries generations of flavors. Aloo Posto made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.